Hello friends, a fine morning. Today is the 8th day of my English speaking day. I started almost 15 days or 20 days before, but I didn't do videos on this topic. That's why it's so late. Okay, the time is now is 9 o'clock, almost 8:39. Okay, today topic is healthy food. uh, okay, in previous video I talked about the healthy fitness and also etc. So today I will tell you tell you some healthy foods in to eat in daily. So first of all, the sugar. You need to eat daily 1 kg of sugar to live a healthy life. If you eat daily 1 kg of sugar, then you will get diabetes in 1 or 2 days. So the main pictures comes with sugar. So the you don't need to eat sugar. It is the unhealthy food. Please avoid sugar daily. We can only eat 30 grams of sugar in a day. If you eat more than 30 grams a day, 30 grams sugar for a day, then it is unhealthy. If you can see, if you drink a 1 liter of thumbs up or 1 liter of Sprite, then it has almost 100 grams of sugar in your 1 liter bottle. It is more than 30 grams, so you need to eat only 30 grams. So calculate on the basis of 30 grams. And if you eat sugar in tea or coffees, if you 1 tablespoon coffee or 1 tablespoon sugar is almost 10 grams, 5 to 10 grams. If you drink 2-3 cups of coffee or tea in daily basis, then you will consume almost 30 above grams of sugar. So keep in mind that we only eat 30 grams of sugar. It's called added sugar. Normally we have 2 types of sugar: natural sugars and added sugars. In fruits and vegetables, and also in our daily food, we have already natural sugar. Something like if you eat rice, in the rice we have already natural sugars, and vegetables also we have natural sugars, and also in fruits also we have natural sugars. But the normal sugar is added sugar. We are created from the, what is the name of that, I don't know in English. We created the sugar for our tastiness. So avoid sugar firstly. The next one is eat vegetables, which eats vegetables by cooking, not cook, only eat cooked vegetables. You can also eat vegetable directly also. In our India, many people eat more rice or roti than vegetables. You need to eat more vegetable than rice or roti. So that's why you need to eat vegetables also, and you need to eat dal. I think it is a Hindi word, dal. You need to eat dal. We have so many types of dals. Need to eat all types of dal. In dal we have proteins. Extra protein we can get from the dal. I googled it. It's pulses. You can eat many types of pulses. It will give you protein, and also give you energy, and also give you carbohydrates. Okay, it will give you healthy lifestyle, not lifestyle, healthy fats and proteins, then you can grow, you can live a healthy lifestyle. And also avoid juice, mainly avoid every packaged item, juices and Sprite and thumbs up and Coca-Cola and fruity juices and etc etc. Avoid everything. These are not healthy, these are unhealthy food items. So avoid, try to avoid these non-healthy food items. It is something like drug. If you drink a thumbs up, then your mind wants more thumbs up. Try to avoid, and also try to avoid the processed foods, something like puffs and burgers and etc etc. I will tell you, some suggestion. Eat almost 90% of vegetables and eat 10% of non-veg. If you avoid non-veg is the best, but you can eat non-veg by 10% in your, not daily, in your month or in your year. Only eat 10% of non-veg and 90% of veg. It is a better healthy lifestyle. I know if you are staying in hostel and if you are living in a city, then you can't eat a healthy food because you don't have anyone to cook for you, and it is very hard to live a healthy lifestyle. But try to live a healthy lifestyle because we need to live 100 years. So try to live a healthy lifestyle and do more things and do learning and do explore this world. Okay friends, this is the video of healthy foods and the 8th video of my English speaking skills challenge. Okay, I think I am improved. Okay, I will continue for 30 days. I will try to record a video on daily basis. Okay, bye bye.